Hi, today I'd like to present you a nice survival kit that I own and share for a moment now. And it's the Swiss Army Victorinox SOS Survival Kit. That is very nice kit. It's a nice little leather pouch with two sides. One side you have the nice Swiss Army champ, as you can see, it's a print in the leather, and on the other side is the survival kit itself. Included in the kit, you find the nice Swiss Army champ, as I said. This knife is one of the most complete knife they made. It's one of the top of the line. I very love it. It served me well, and as you can see, it's so complete that you even have a pin secure inside of it. That's one of the small tools you can find. You also have a pen, and I am not gonna pass over all the stuff because you can find very nice review of the Swiss Army Champ on YouTube. My main core is the rest. What's included in this pouch? This pouch also include on this side a little Maglite Solitaire, which is very nice, waterproof. On the other side, you'll find a stone. This stone will keep your knife sharp all the time. You also have that nice tool that's include a compass, a magnifying glass, thermometer, and its graduate, so you can measure on a map if you own one. Also, in this little Ziploc bag, you have everything included in there is for repair your garment, toothpick, replacement tweezer, book of matches, nylon cord on the other side, fishing line, fishing hook, fishing weight with the book of matches, all in a Ziploc bag so it's watertight. Also, in a little plastic sleeve, you have a piece of paper. You have two, yes, two little bandage. You have a card that show you how to do some basic now. Yeah, SOS code. Now, how to use a signal mirror. Oh, a wizard. It's powerful, eh? It's very light and small. You have this. I should use it, eh? A reflecting mirror. And you have that little mechanical pen. All of this included in this little pouch that fit on your belt so you can keep it with you all the time. One of the things I like to carry with it, it's a Leatherman Surge. Yeah, it's a big heavy tool, but Actually, it's a nice tool to carry with this one, because this one is, it's nice, but this thing can do a lot, but not as much as the Leatherman Surge can do. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoy it, and please leave your comment. I will post more video on prep, actually, basically on prep, because I like to prepare myself for bad things when bad things happen. I live in Canada, so the Orla preventing us from having AR and things like that. So I hope you enjoy it. I wish you what I do. Hope to have news from you soon. Thank you for watching. See you.